Hey guys, good morning. Today we will start a new topic, that is ortho effect. Guys, this is little bit tough, but it is really very important. So you need to be more focused for this lecture. I know you are sincere, you are intelligent, but I am just asking that you should be little bit more sincere for this lecture. And I will try to make it easier, but you should have complete knowledge of acidic strength. If you didn't watch the lecture of acidic strength, then the first thing, go and cover all those lecture, then only watch this lecture. Correct? Okay. Now come to the ortho effect. Their name is telling many things. Ortho effect, it's mean this effect is anyhow related to ortho position. Correct? Now tell me, what is ortho position? I know you are very well in that. Ortho position means if we attach a group, at a position to a benzene, then that position is called ipso, and the nearest position, this is ipso, and the nearest position to that group is called, or the nearest carbon to that group is called ortho, and second nearest one is called meta, and the last one is called para. Correct? Means in a benzene molecules, if we have molecules attached to that benzene, then that molecule will have two ortho, two meta, and one para position. Okay. Now see the definition of ortho effect. Due to the presence of group at ortho, property of molecules change drastically. The cause of this change is called ortho effect. Means if we attach a group at this place, then there will be interaction between these two groups. These interaction will generate a effect due to which the complete properties of molecules will change. Okay, or we can say some properties of this molecule will change. Correct? So this effect is called ortho effect, and this is the cause which change the complete properties, of complete molecule. Correct? So this effect is called ortho effect. Now see the definition. Is it correct? Correct. Now come to the cause of ortho effect. At first, see the cause of ortho effect. Basically, ortho effect is generated from three effect. First is SIP, SIR. SIR means steric inhibition of resonance. Second is hydrogen bonding, and third one is SIP. SIR means steric inhibition of resonance, hydrogen bonding you all know that, and SIP steric inhibition of protonation. These three effects are collectively called ortho effect. Correct? All these three effects are collectively called ortho effect. So we can say in ortho effect there are three different type of effect. First is SIR, second is hydrogen bonding, and the third is SIP. Okay. Now see, only these two factors affect the acidic strength of molecule. So in this topic here you can see ortho effect on acidic strength. So in case of acidic strength, we will only consider SIR and hydrogen bonding. Correct? We will not consider SIP. We will consider it in basic strength. Correct? So in acidic strength we are including only steric inhibition of resonance, means SIR, and hydrogen bonding. Now come to the definition of SIR effect. See, when two bulky group is available on ortho position of each other, means ortho position of each other means a group is here and a group is here. If both the group are bulky, okay, if both the group are bulky, when two bulky group is available on ortho position of each other, then the steric hindrance of group inhibit their resonance with benzene. Correct? If two bulky groups are available at ortho position, then the steric hindrance of group inhibit their resonance with benzene. At first see steric inhibition of resonance mean. Steric means size, correct, size of group which is attached. Inhibition matlab block or stop, and resonance you know. So steric inhibition of resonance state that because of bulkiness or size of a group, if resonance of that group or their neighboring group will be blocked or stopped with benzene, then that effect is called steric inhibition of resonance. Mean in steric inhibition what will happen, the bulkiness of a group will affect or will stop or will block the resonance of that group or their neighboring group with benzene. This effect is called SIR or steric inhibition of resonance. करेक्ट, समझा? मतलब अगर एक ग्रुप जो ये ग्रुप है और ये ग्रुप है, इसकी बल्किनेस, इसका साइज अगर इस ग्रुप या इस ग्रुप का रेजोनेंस बेंजीन के साथ स्टॉप कर दे रहा है, ब्लॉक कर दे रहा है, तो उस इफेक्ट को हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं? स्टेरिक इनहिबिशन ऑफ रेजोनेंस. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ इट हैपन. Now here you can see, okay, see this is the benzoic acid case. We are remove H. Here we can write H. So we remove that H and we apply here a negative charge. Now what is happening? The first thing we will see, this. Okay, okay, no, not this one, it will be better. Yeah. Now see this carbon. Okay, this carbon is electron deficient because it is attached with oxygen which is more electronegative. Now in this condition what is happening? This is also participating in resonance. This negative is also participating in resonance and these pi bonds are also participating in resonance. So we make their orbital diagram here. This structure, see what we assume, all the bonds are in the plane of paper. All the bonds, or the bond means the bond which is indicated by blue line, these are in your paper, okay, in the plane of paper, and all the p orbitals are perpendicular to the plane of paper. Means if you have your notebook and that the plane of paper contain all the bond, all the sigma bond, and the p orbital, one loop of p orbital is above the plane or another loop is below the plane, correct? This is the structure. Now all p orbitals are parallel or coplanar, so resonance is possible. Means this negative charge can resonate with this carbon, correct, this carbon, and in that case what will happen? In that case this bond will break and this bond will form, this minus will go on and it will gain a minus charge, correct? Similarly this pi bond also participate, likewise resonance will be continue. Means all the pi electron will rotate among all the atom. We are showing that here. There the green dotted line representing the delocalization of pi electron. Which pi electron? Here 3 pi cloud here and 1 pi cloud is here. So all the 4 pi clouds are distributed among these atoms. Is it correct? Okay, okay. Now see this. Now what is happening? When we attach a group at ortho position, what will happen? These H, here there are 3 H, 1 H here, 1 H here and 1 H here. So all these group will start giving repulsion to this carboxylic group. Due to their repulsion, due to the repulsion of their size, due to the bulkiness, it is giving repulsion. Because of that repulsion, what will happen? This molecule will rotate itself about this sigma bond. Rotation about this sigma bond means we are putting one is below the plane and one is above the plane. We are rotating, we are holding these two carbon and rotating is in clockwise direction, means we are getting this oxygen above the plane and this oxygen below the plane. Why it is happening? Because this is the bulky group, this is giving repulsion. If if it will rotate and it will come above the plane and below the plane, then distance will increase and repulsion will decrease. Correct? Means due to this group, what will happen? This group will rotate about this sigma bond. When it will rotate, one will come above the plane and one will go below the plane. Now is it okay? Now you watch this one. What is here? These p orbital, these two p orbital are parallel to each other. Now if we rotate this bond, like this, if we rotate this bond like this, what will happen? These oxygen will come out of plane, one will go below the plane and one will come above the plane, but that orbital will come in the plane of paper. Is it right? This orbital will come in the plane of paper, but this is still perpendicular to the plane of paper. Am I right? Are you getting it? Correct? Okay. Now, is there any possibility of overlapping between these two orbital? Listen, if you are not getting this one, then see, I hope you understand that their rotation, why it is getting rotated. I hope you are getting that. Okay. Now the problem is that if you are not getting about the orbitals, then I will show the image. But first thing, it must be clear that their rotation, how it rotate. Why it rotate? Because of this group, bulkiness of this group rotate that carboxylic acid, and these two oxygen which was in the plane, one will go below the plane, one will come above the plane. That is represented here. Okay. Okay. Now see, for this two orbital, see this, what is happening? One is in z axis, z axis means above the plane of paper, the orbital which is above the plane of paper, and the another one which is in the plane which was in the perpendicular plane. Now we rotate in come to the plane of paper, means xy plane, that is like this. Will they overlap each other? You can see their 3D image that this is z axis, this orbital is in z axis and this is in xy axis, xy plane about y axis. Correct? This is in xy plane, this is in zx plane. Correct? Is it correct? Okay. This is on z axis, this is on y axis, means these two are perpendicular to each other. Are they overlap? No. This type of overlapping is not possible. That thing I wanted to show here. This thing I wanted to show here. Correct? That is the nature of, that is the actual behavior of these two. You can also see this image, same thing. Here the x plane z, sorry, this is this plane, this ligand in the z plane and this is in x axis, or this is in the z axis, means these two orbitals are perpendicular to each other. Correct? These two orbitals are perpendicular to each other. The same thing I am saying here, these two are perpendicular to each other. Same thing I am representing here. See the next image which is more clear. So there is no possibility of overlapping between these two orbital, which is also written here. Pz and px cannot overlap, pz and py cannot overlap, px and py cannot overlap, because these orbitals are perpendicular to each other. So that perpendicular nature I am representing here. Correct? This is correct. You can see this. This is z axis, this is y axis. Correct? Okay. And it is their 2D representation. Now I hope you will get it. Since these two orbital get perpendicular to each other, so there is no possibility of overlapping. Since these two orbitals are no overlap, these two orbitals will not overlap, then this benzene group will not continue their resonance with that carbon, means it will not be able to supply their electron density to carbon atom. Correct? Means its resonance is blocked because of this group, and that blocking of resonance is called steric inhibition of resonance. Correct? Did you get it? Okay. This is the SIR effect or steric inhibition of resonance. Now the next thing is the ortho effect. Now see the ortho effect. What is ortho effect? Oh sorry, ortho effect. Oh sorry, that is hydrogen bonding. This is the second cause of ortho effect, that is hydrogen bonding. Now see, some of the group shows intramolecular hydrogen bonding when they are available on ortho position, which also affect the properties of molecules. Okay, see, this is the in this case I also remove the H from this carbon. I already removed that hydrogen from carboxylic acid and apply negative charge, and here OH group is available. So what will happen? This minus, you know that H attached to fluorine, H attached to oxygen, or hydrogen attached to nitrogen will show hydrogen bonding. So see, this oxygen, this hydrogen, I'm doing a mistake here, sorry. See, this hydrogen is attached to oxygen, means it have tendency to show hydrogen bonding. Here oxygen have minus charge, so there will be an interaction between H. This H have delta plus and this oxygen have delta minus. Why? Because of their electronegativity difference. So H have delta plus, due to which it will have interaction of weak interaction, या electrostatic force of attraction exists between that oxygen and this hydrogen. That is called hydrogen bonding, means it will show hydrogen bonding. Due to that hydrogen bonding, stability of this anion will increase. Correct? Means hydrogen bonding is stabilizing the anion. Since it is stabilizing the anion, it will affect the properties of molecules. This is the hydrogen effect, which is the second cause of ortho effect. Correct? Okay. So hydrogen bonding will stabilize the anion, or it will affect the stability of anion, and stability of anion is directly connected to acidic strength. And what we are covering here, acidic strength, means hydrogen bonding will affect the acidic strength of molecule. And how will it affect? We will discuss it later during the question. Now we will come to the ortho effect on benzoic acid. Correct? We will cover now ortho effect on benzoic acid.